In the wild heart of India walks a being, older than empires, a creature of wisdom, strength, and memory. The Indian elephant. From the rolling grasslands of Kaziranga to the teak forests of the Western Ghats, the elephant reigns through dominance and harmony. Each herd is a family, bound by invisible threads of affection and knowledge. At the center walks the matriarch, wise, experienced, and infinitely patient. She remembers every path, every waterhole, every danger. In every herd, the matriarch carries generations of memory. When she walks, the others follow, not out of fear, but trust. She knows which rivers flow longest in summer, where to forage during the lean season, which valleys hide danger. Around the matriarch, the younger females walk with their calves. When the matriarch dies, the herd mourns, touching her body with trunks, waiting around their demised leader for hours. Such funeral rituals of elephants are truly heart-touching. It seems they are bidding a final farewell to their dear ones. They feel and express grief. Few animals on earth show such depth of emotion and intelligence. It is not just instinct that guides them. It's empathy, an emotion that's today very rare even in humans. To truly understand elephants, one must listen to their silence. Elephants communicate in frequencies beyond our hearing, low-frequency rumbles that travel miles through the ground, felt more than heard. A mother calls her calf with a vibration. A distant herd answers with a hum. They mourn their dead, celebrate births, and comfort each other in distress. The elephant is more than a dweller of the forest, it is its architect. With each step, it reshapes the land. As it walks, it clears paths through dense undergrowth, creating corridors for smaller animals. It knocks down old trees, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor. It digs for water in dry riverbeds that become an important water source for other creatures. Even its tongue, rich with seeds, help to spread the forest across vast distances. They are the gardeners, the engineers, and the guardians of the green world. Without elephants, the Indian forests would lose their rhythm. When the midday heat becomes unbearable, the herd seeks the river. The oldest enters first, testing the depth. Then the young ones follow, trumpeting in joy. Each bath is not just for cooling, it is a ritual. After bath, they spray mud to protect their skin, rub against trees, roll in dust. Seems like they are painting themselves in the colors of the earth. The sight is both majestic and intimate. As evening falls, the herd moves again. The forest seems to breathe with them. But the world of the elephant is shrinking. The forests are growing smaller. Their paths are fragmented, interrupted by highways, railways, crop fields, and anthropocentric development. Now they are found only in 4 disjunct ranges in India. Elephants remember every path their ancestors walked. And when those paths vanish, confusion turns to tragedy. Crop raids, train collisions, and human-elephant conflicts occur. The elephants are not invading our world. We have built ours across theirs. But hope still exists. Dedicated forest officers, scientists, and local communities are learning to coexist with them again. In the forests of Uttarakhand, in the hills of Kerala, in the plains of Assam, people are mapping their migration paths and creating elephant corridors to connect the fragmented forests. Where understanding replaces fear, miracles happen. Farmers use beehive fences to deter elephants safely. Villages create watchtowers instead of traps. Children grow up learning that the elephant is not an enemy. It is a living god of the wild. The Indian elephants are the gentle giants of the forest, the soul of the Indian wilderness. They remind us that we are also a part of this delicate tapestry, that the earth is not ours to conquer, but to share. They leave behind a message of coexistence, and as long as they walk in the wild, our forests and wildlife will thrive.